So hello, my name is Dark Moon Doll, and today is Art Talk. So this is part 2 of how to make and size a dreadlock bead, a large one, a fabric one. I'm just going to show you the end product of part 1. So if you haven't checked out part 1, please do. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It's a it's a mushroom shaman fabric bead. Use the fabric doll on the front, and then there's hearts on the back. So let me show you how it looks when you put it on. I'm going to take one of my skinnier dreadlocks. I have different sizes of dreads, so let me find one. I think this one might fit. So let's see. When I tried to size it on the first video for the one really big one, it doesn't really fit on the really big one because, as I said before, when you make fabric beads and you embroider them, it's going to shrink. So, see if you can see that. Let me get into the shade and you could probably see it better. So, let's get where I'm not directly in the sun. But yeah. Can you see that? You can probably see it better now. Yeah, so this is something you could do that's easy. Well, it takes a lot of time, but it's fairly easy if you know how to sew, and it's fun, and it's a way to decorate your dreadlocks. And if you don't want to color your dreadlocks and you don't want to put commercial dyes on it, then you can make things like this, like fabric beads. Different designs on it. You could do any design you want. You can make a little doll on there. You can actually put a sculpted mushroom on there or whatever. But it's all hand sewn, hand embroidered, and the hair. Her hair. Her hair has twigs in it. Her hair is made from a green yarn that's wool. And her eyes are hand embroidered, so is the mouth. The mushroom too. The fabric is an old wool sweater that I recycled, and the rest of it's all recycled fabrics and yarn that I incorporated into this dreadlock bead. So yeah, I'm kind of feeling like I might want to sell it. It's clean, don't worry, and I just want to do a few more things to it, and then I'll put it on my shop. So it's for a larger size dreadlock. I'll tell you the exact size, but not really large, like say this one that I got here. So I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how it turned out, because I told you I would show you how it turned out, and it turned out pretty cool. You could put any kind of doll on there you want, make a little cloth doll, but it's a nice way to recycle fabric. So yeah, alright, let me get back in the shade. You could also, if you wanted to, you could add like beads on it or rhinestones if you want to get really fancy about it. This is just kind of pretty simple. So yeah, it's kind of fun to explore and experiment with different techniques for making fun fabric beads. And you don't have to have dreadlocks to wear these dreadlock beads. You can, if you have hair to braid, you can put a bead on the end of it, just for adorning yourself. And color therapy too, because a lot of people don't realize the power of color therapy and colors and how they can affect your moods. They can enhance your moods or make your moods more erratic. So yeah, so that's how you make a dreadlock bead, fabric bead. Check out the first part, like I said, of this tutorial so that you know exactly what's going on. But it's just a little fun little project you can do with recycling. You can do it with your friends and family. So yeah, thanks for joining me today for this quick video for Art Talk. I will see you guys soon. Let's see. I will see you guys soon. Various blessings to you all, and lots of love to you and your dreadlock journey. Hope it's treating you well, and you're not doing a lot of stuff to manipulate your hair, because for me that's what Freeform Dreadlocks is about. Not a lot of manipulation, but some fun though. You can add some fun to your dreads. So, yeah. I'll see you guys soon. Brightest blessings to you all.